Today, I am reviewing the Bonsaii paper shredder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing to address is the runtime. Most consumer-grade shredders are notorious for hitting their thermal protection limit after just 5 or 10 minutes of work, leaving you to wait for 20 minutes while the motor cools down. The Bonsaii claims a 60-minute continuous run time. That is a substantial difference if you are tackling a backlog of annual taxes or old project files. This capacity is backed by a cooling system that is specifically designed to keep the motor running longer than the average home office unit. It is a feature that sounds like marketing fluff until you actually have to shred an entire box of documents and you realize you aren't going to spend your entire afternoon doing it. The 18-sheet capacity is another major selling point. While manufacturers often list a maximum capacity, it is important to remember that this usually refers to standard, lightweight 20-pound paper. If you are trying to feed in thick cardstock or multiple layers of folded documents, you're going to hit a wall much sooner. However, for standard letter-sized paper, being able to feed a decent stack at once means you spend less time hovering over the machine. It shreds into tiny cross-cut particles, which hits that P4 security level. This is generally the sweet spot for office security. It is enough to make documents virtually impossible to reconstruct, which is what most people are looking for when they are disposing of bank statements, old medical records, or company invoices. The cross-cut mechanism also handles staples and credit cards. We have all had that experience of trying to be meticulous about removing every single staple before shredding, only to realize half an hour later that we missed one. It is tedious work. Knowing the machine can handle the occasional staple without jamming is a relief. That said, even with a machine that is rated for staples, you still don't want to get into the habit of feeding it thick paper clips or heavy-duty binder clips. Those will destroy a blade assembly regardless of what the manual says. Treat the machine with a little bit of respect, and it will last you significantly longer. One thing you will notice immediately is the noise level. It is rated at 62 decibels. If you're used to the roar of a cheap shredder that sounds like a lawnmower, this will be a pleasant surprise. It is not silent, but it is certainly quiet enough that you won't feel like you are disrupting the entire office just because you need to dispose of a few letters. You can hold a conversation or listen to music while it is running, which is a rare trait in shredder that actually has a powerful motor. The basket capacity is 6 gallons, which is a decent size, though not massive. It holds about 400 sheets of shredded paper. The pull-out design is much more ergonomic than having to lift the entire heavy motor unit off the top of the bin every time you need to empty it. That top-heavy design is a recipe for spills and messes. With the pull-out drawer, you have much more control. The transparent window is a small but useful addition, allowing you to see when it is time for a dump without having to guess or wait until it overflows and starts jamming up the cutters. When we talk about the auto start and auto reverse functions, these are now standard in this price range, but they are executed well here. The auto start is responsive enough that you don't feel like you are fighting the machine, and the auto reverse is a lifesaver when you accidentally feed it too much paper. A jam in a shredder is one of the most frustrating things that can happen in an office, especially when it is stubborn. The fact that the machine can detect that strain and kick into reverse before the paper becomes a permanent fixture in the cutters is essential for long-term reliability. However, no machine is perfect. You have to consider the footprint of the Bonsaii C149-C. While it is not gargantuan, it is a sturdy, heavy-duty unit. It has 4 casters for mobility, which is a must, but it is going to take up a dedicated corner of your office. This isn't something you can easily tuck away under a tiny desk or inside a drawer. You need to plan for where it is going to sit permanently. The build quality feels solid, and the weight of the unit suggests there is actual metal in the cutting assembly, which is what you want if you expect it to last for years. Who is this machine for? It is for the person who deals with regular volumes of paperwork and is tired of the flimsy units that overheat constantly. If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone who is particularly diligent about document security at home, you will appreciate the performance. If you are just someone who shreds 1 letter a week, this is probably overkill. You would be better off with a smaller, cheaper unit that saves you space. But if you have ever sat in front of a shredder that kept shutting down, you know exactly why you would want to pay a bit more for something with a 60-minute duty cycle. One criticism to be aware of is the sensitivity of the sensors. Sometimes, these infrared sensors that detect paper can get dusty or blocked by tiny scraps of paper left over from previous jobs. If the shredder stops starting when you put paper in, don't assume the motor is dead. 9 times out of 10, a quick blast of canned air or a gentle wipe of the sensor area fixes the problem immediately. It is a quirk of most modern shredders, and it is something you should keep in mind as part of your regular maintenance routine. Also, think about the maintenance of the blades. People often forget that these are mechanical parts that need lubrication. A cross-cut shredder works best when the blades are oiled, and if you let them get dry and gummy with paper dust, they won't cut as efficiently, and you will put unnecessary strain on the motor. Buy some shredder oil sheets or a bottle of lubricant and use it. It takes 30 seconds, and it is the single most important thing you can do to prevent the machine from failing. If you are looking for a maintenance-free experience, you're going to be disappointed with any shredder on the market. There is also the matter of the power cord. It is a grounded plug, which is expected, but make sure you are plugging it into a stable outlet. Don't run it off a cheap, overloaded power strip if you can help it. These motors draw a fair amount of current when they are under a heavy load, and you want to ensure the electrical connection is solid to keep the internal electronics happy. When you look at the total value, you are balancing the cost against the convenience of not having to babysit a machine. If you value your time, the ability to dump a stack of papers and walk away is worth the extra money. If you are the type of person who is going to be frustrated by any jam, or who hates having to perform even basic maintenance like clearing the bin or oiling the cutters, you might find any shredder annoying. But for the average user, the Bonsaii C149-C offers a very balanced set of trade-offs. It is powerful, relatively quiet, and built for a workload that is actually realistic for a busy office or a productive home environment. I have seen people try to use scissors or even burning, which are either unsafe or too slow. The convenience of a dedicated, reliable shredder is hard to overstate once you have one that actually functions as advertised. It keeps your desk clear, it keeps your sensitive information safe, and it saves you from the constant annoyance of dealing with paperwork clutter. If you are a student, this might be way too much machine. But if you are someone who keeps records for years, or who has a household or office that generates a constant stream of documents that cannot be thrown away, then you need a workhorse. The key is just managing your expectations about the capacity. Don't push it beyond its stated limit of 18 sheets, and don't try to feed it items that shouldn't go into a shredder. It is a tool, not a toy. If you use it like a tool, it will serve you well. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your volume. If you have boxes of files, get a heavy-duty shredder. If you have a few envelopes a month, save your money. The Bonsaii C149-C is a solid, middle-ground heavy-duty option that focuses on the two things that matter most in a shredder: duty cycle and reliability. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but the things it is supposed to do, it does well. The casters are another aspect that makes it feel like an office-grade piece of equipment. You can move it from a storage closet to your desk, do your work, and then move it back. It doesn't sound like much, but when you are dealing with a machine that weighs a fair amount, being able to roll it instead of lift it is a big deal. It is these kinds of functional design choices that make the C149-C feel like it was designed by people who actually understand how these machines are used in the real world. If you find that the wastebasket fills up faster than you like, just remember that the shredded paper is actually quite dense. It takes up a lot less space than the original sheets. The fact that you have a transparent window is really helpful because you won't realize just how much paper has been compressed in that bin until you see the visual indicator. Emptying the bin is straightforward, but do it carefully to avoid spilling paper dust, which is inevitable with any shredder. I think the biggest risk with a product like this is the assumption that it will never jam. Any shredder will jam if you overload it. The key to the C149-C's utility is that the auto reverse is quite effective. If you feel the machine straining, you can manually toggle the reverse as well. Knowing how to use those controls is part of the learning curve, but it is simple enough that most people will pick it up on the first try. In terms of build, the materials are mostly plastic, but the cutting head is the part that matters, and it feels robust. The casing is standard, and it is easy to keep clean with a simple wipe down. You don't want to get water inside, but a damp cloth is fine for removing dust. It is a clean, understated design that doesn't scream for attention, which is exactly what you want for office equipment. As for the security level, P4 is standard for a reason. It is not high-security government-grade shredding, but for your average person, it is more than sufficient. You would have to have a very dedicated and very bored individual to try and put back together papers shredded to 5 by 25 millimeters pieces. If you are comparing this to other brands, you will find that a lot of them have similar specs. The difference usually comes down to the quality of the motor and the effectiveness of the cooling system. Bonsaii has built a reputation for this specific niche of shredders that can run for long periods. If you prioritize that long runtime over other features like touchscreens or smart app connectivity, then this is a very strong contender. Is it worth the money? If it saves you a few hours of manual labor over the course of a year, then yes, it is. Time is the one resource you cannot get back. Any piece of equipment that makes an unavoidable task faster and more efficient is a good investment. If I were to provide any advice, it would be to find a permanent spot for it near an outlet. The easier it is to access, the more likely you are to actually keep up with your shredding instead of letting the piles grow. If you have to pull it out from under a shelf and plug it in every time, you will inevitably procrastinate. Keep it accessible, keep it oiled, and it will be a reliable partner in managing your paperwork. I've spent plenty of time watching how these things perform, and the ones that fail are almost always the ones that are neglected or abused. Keep the blades lubricated, don't overload it, and don't ignore the warning signs of a jam. It is basic care, but it is enough to make a difference between a machine that lasts for years and one that dies in months. The size of the bin is probably the only thing that might require you to be diligent. If you have a massive shredding project, you'll be emptying it periodically. But that is the price you pay for having a machine that isn't the size of a kitchen appliance. It is a good trade-off between power and footprint. For anyone working from home or in a small business, the ability to shred documents securely is non-negotiable. You cannot just throw sensitive information in the trash. The Bonsaii C149-C gives you a way to handle that responsibility with a minimum of fuss. It is not going to change your life, but it will make one aspect of your administrative work much more predictable and much less of a chore. When you look at the design, it is clear that they wanted to provide a machine that felt professional without being industrial. It doesn't take up an entire room, but it doesn't look like it belongs in a toy box either. It is a serious tool for a serious job. The feedback from users often highlights the quiet operation and the continuous runtime. Those two factors alone usually determine whether someone loves or hates a shredder. It seems like the C149-C has nailed that particular balance. People are generally happy when they can shred an entire pile of mail without the machine crying for a break after 3 minutes. Another detail that is worth noting is the safety features. It is designed to be difficult to get your fingers into the shredding slot, which is important. You shouldn't be putting anything near the slot anyway, but it is good to know that there are physical barriers in place. Always exercise common sense, but it is good to know that the manufacturer has considered the user's safety. If you have kids or pets, keep it in a location where they aren't playing with it. It is a powerful motor, and you don't want anyone accidentally turning it on when you aren't around. The power switch is easy to access, which is good for you, but also something to be mindful of. Is the window on the bin accurate? Yes, it is a simple, clear piece of plastic, but it is effective. You won't have to guess if you need to empty it. That level of simplicity is actually a positive. You don't need a high-tech sensor to tell you if the bin is full when you can just look at it. Final thoughts on the value? It is priced appropriately for what it offers. You are paying for a slightly better motor and a better cooling system than the bottom-of-the-barrel options. That is money well spent if you have any significant volume of shredding to do. It is one of those purchases that you won't regret once you have a big pile of documents and you realize how quickly this machine can make them disappear. If you are a professional, you need equipment that doesn't get in your way. The Bonsaii C149-C is designed not to get in your way. It does its job quietly, reliably, and efficiently, and then it is ready for the next time you need it. That is the definition of a good office tool. Don't let the technical jargon scare you. P4, 18 sheets, 60 minutes. These are just numbers that tell you it is capable. At the end of the day, it is just a machine that turns paper into tiny confetti. It is a simple concept, but having one that does it well is a minor luxury that makes your work life a lot easier. So, if you are looking for a shredder, don't just look at the price. Look at the duty cycle. Look at the bin capacity. Look at the noise level. And consider how you are actually going to use it. If you have an office and you have piles of paper, the Bonsaii C149-C is a sensible, well-designed choice that is going to save you a lot of time and headache. It is honest gear that delivers exactly what it promises, which is something we should all appreciate in a world of overhyped tech products. It is just a shredder, sure, but it is a good one.